Hey guys, it's Kayla, and welcome back to my channel, Honey Break and Team 1, of course. So today, before we get started with the video, comment down below if there's anything interesting in the video, and please press the red button, subscribe, and comment down below if there's anything interesting in the video again. And my name is Kayla, and I hope you please like this video, and I hope you guys have a great time watching this video. So today, wait, let me get that. So today I'm going to show you all my butter slimes, and I have 4 my butter slimes, and I'm going to be very happy to show you and watch the whole entire video. Let's get started. First one is called Purple Grape. It is super smooth, just like butter. I'm going to show you how it moves. So I'm going to show you about it. I love this one so much. So nice. It's a little bit sticky, but buttery. So next slime. The next one is going to be, I'm going to do this one. It's called Blue Skylar slime, and it says over here, butter slime. Coconuts. Ooh, a very buttery. But it's very small. It's so cute, this butter slime. And also, I have another glue slime. Glue butter slime. I have to make more butter slimes. I have only 4. Oh, guys, I want you to look at the video where me and my cousins play with our slimes. And Ellie, what's so funny? He's watching a video. And we did a lot of nice slimes, so please watch that video. Okay, now I'm going to show you how it is. Very buttery and nice. This one is also a little bit sticky, but I love it. On to the next slime. Ooh, I'm going to do red blood. It's called red blood, like I told you. The D is... Oh, that was 8 times, guys. This one's playing with a sensory toy. Oh, this one I'm not going to take out because this one is sticky. So I'm just going to smooth it out. Ethan, do you want to be in the video?
I don't know.
And guys, it pokes so well, and...
Leaving?
Oh, goodbye, Ellie.
Oh, okay.
And it is very good. So, next slime, blueberry slime. Did I do this already? No, I didn't. I did this one. This one is very smooth. This one is not so sticky. All of my butter slimes are a little bit sticky. All of my slimes are just a tiny bit sticky. Each has stop. And it is so nice and buttery. And it stretches like butter. So sweet, it doesn't stretch so much.
One of these slimes.
Yeah, if you want. This one, but it's going to be sticky for you.
Sure.
Oh, it's not.
I mean, it wasn't, but...
A little bit. And I'll show you how it spreads like butter. 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 It's so buttery. I love it.
What did you name this video? Playing with slime?
No, I know I'm going to name it. I'll tell you after. And it is so nice. Whoa! My container. So, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, follow us on Instagram, and comment down below if there's anything interesting. Bye, guys.
We're not following our Instagram.
Shut up.